Okay, so we're here again to simplify statistics with Excel. Okay, so our topic for today will be the large sample test about proportion. Okay, so the last time we discussed about comparing two sample test, but it's not a proportion. Okay, so now we will be discussing more about proportion. So what is proportion? Okay, like this one, express percentage. Okay, already have given all of this data here. Okay, that's sample of the proportion. Okay, we'll discuss that later. And then this is the problem. You can opt to pause the video for a while and then read this one. Okay, and because if we read this one, if I read this one, the video will take long. Okay, so you can opt to just pause it and then read it. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We will compare these two proportions if they have difference. Okay, and we will test the statistics and we will use the alpha of 0.10. Okay, and the alpha of 0.10 of divided by 2 because this is two tails again, and this will come up as 0.05 or a z value of 1.645. Okay, so okay, so it is. Okay, um, this is the given data. Okay, from here. Okay, so we have here um, for the group 1 we have 400 owners model. Okay, and here 500 owners model, and the proportion that said yes is meaning is it has needed major repairs. Okay, and 78 here. Okay, from the group 2. Now we will compare if there is a difference between the two groups. Okay, okay, so this is the test. Okay, and then we will use the alpha of zero point zero 0.01 or 0.10. Okay, or 0.05. Okay, so let's have to put here 0.05. Okay, so this is the proportion. So we just this one over this one, so we got 13%. The same here. Okay, and this will be a rejection region. Okay, here. Okay, and let's try to compute first the p, so the total proportion. Okay, we have here the proportion for group 1 and we have here the proportion for group 2. Now we will compute for proportion of um, this one for the overall. Okay, it says here that it's equals to proportion is equals to x1 plus x2 over n1 plus n2. Okay, so gonna do that. Okay, so just have to total these two here. Let's try first calculate. Okay, this one over this one plus this one. Okay, I guess this is wrong. We need to segregate each. Okay, okay, there. So this is the total proportion, right? Now that we have the total proportion, okay, it's 14%. It expresses percentage. Okay, now we'll compute for z. So this is the computation for z. Okay, so it's p1 minus p2 over the square root of pq 1 plus n1 plus n2. Okay, so let's compute for that one. So p1 is this one, proportion 1 minus proportion 2. Okay, over the square root. Okay, square root is written as this, and pq. So p is this one, total P, okay, multiplied by 1 minus P, okay, okay, and then 1 plus N1, N1 here, 1 over N1, okay, plus 1 over N2, okay, I think that's not correct, okay, I need to segregate this one, let's try to segregate this one, no, it's not right, I need to segregate this one, we need to, okay, uh, turn it back, okay, and then we need to, alright, so I guess the wrong answer that we have is this top here, okay, so we got it, okay, so we, the wrong answer proportion should be this one, less this one, right, so that's the incorrect, okay, so we use this proportion here instead of this one, it should be this one, okay, it's just a part of the 400 that says yes, okay, okay, so we got point negative 99, okay, so okay, so it's a lot of troubleshooting, right, okay, so now since point 99 is not part, it says here as long as he is here, okay, point 99 is less than 1.645, so we have no reason to reject, they have no difference, okay, okay, z value, so decision is no difference, okay, and also this one here, so we get the p-value for z, so we have here the z at 0.99, so it will be somewhere here, okay, this one, okay, so just have to use the 1, it's 0.99, so just have to round it up, okay, at alpha level of 0.05 it's 35.3531 or point 3289, okay, you just have to use point 3289, okay, point 99, okay, so you just have to use that point 3289, okay, so what's the significance, so to compute for significance just have to test this one, so it's 17.17, since this is less than 1, this is greater than 5%, then we will conclude also the same, no difference, okay, so that's how to compute for the that's how to compare proportions in Excel and in statistics, okay, all right, okay, I guess we already have discussed all of this here, okay, this is the z value here, okay, these are the computations, okay, I'll see you around on my next video. Okay. And if you have questions, you can just comment on this video. Okay. And I'm be happy to reply you. Okay. Thank you.